The Poco F1 by Xiaomi comes with a 6.18-inch Full HD display that provides an immersive experience while watching videos, playing games or reading ebooks. This phone is available in Rosso Red, Steel Blue, Graphite Black color with 6GB and 8GB memory variants. Poco F1 comes with multiple RAM sizes to choose from as per usability. It also comes with 128 and 256GB internal memory for a smooth performance while playing games or switching between multiple apps. The phone comes with dual SIM. Both slots support 4G on dual standby. The Poco F1 features a 6.18-inch Full HD display for an immersive viewing experience. The IPS display produces accurate colors across a wide viewing angle. The phone has a 12MP plus 5MP AI dual rear camera along with dual LED flash. It also features a 20MP front camera for clicking selfies. Powered by Android Oreo operating system with Snapdragon 845 octa-core processor, this phone makes downloading, browsing as well as gaming very smooth. It comes with a 4000 mAh lithium-ion battery with Quick Charge 3.0. The box includes handset, adapter, USB cable, SIM insertion tool, back case, warranty card and user guide. The Poco F1 by Xiaomi comes with standard brand warranty. You can avail EMI and exchange options. You can also pay online using your debit or credit card, net banking or other methods. For further information on the product, warranty, payment and delivery options and other offers, visit the product detail page.